just want to show you guys how to do the clock. When you're in your apps, I have it set over here, the first one. You just press it and here's your clock. You can go to settings and change the clock face if you want. You know, there's different ones you can do. Here's one with the Honda robot. Let's see here, what else is there? Here's one if you want a little bit of space. So what I find, this one is darker, so when I drive at night, you know, it's not so bright. The 5, if you're curious what that is, today's the 5th. Therefore, it puts a 5 on there. So I'm going to play around with this Honda Odyssey. So go ahead and subscribe. Maybe I'll end up doing a video of something that you want to see. Everything that I show will be in the owner's manual, but hey, subscribe and you'll see it on a video.